Dinner recipes. Vegetarian. 1. Roasted vegetable quinoa bowl. Ingredients: 1 cup quinoa, 2 cups water or vegetable broth, 1 red bell pepper chopped, 1 yellow bell pepper chopped, 1 zucchini chopped, 1 red onion chopped, 1 cup cherry tomatoes, 2 cloves of garlic, minced, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, salt and pepper to taste, 1/4 cup chopped fresh parsley. Lemon wedges for serving. Instructions: 1. Preheat your oven to 400F-200C. 2. In a medium saucepan, bring the quinoa and water or vegetable broth to a boil. Reduce the heat, cover and simmer for 15 minutes. 3. In a large bowl, mix together the chopped vegetables, garlic, olive oil, oregano, salt, and pepper. 4. Spread the vegetable mixture onto a baking sheet and roast in the preheated oven for 20–25 minutes, stirring occasionally. 5. Once the vegetables are roasted, remove them from the oven and toss with the cooked quinoa. 6. Serve the quinoa and roasted vegetables in bowls, topped with fresh parsley and a squeeze of lemon juice. 2. Mushroom and spinach stroganoff. Ingredients: 1 pound egg noodles, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 onion chopped, 2 cloves of garlic, minced, 8 ounces mushrooms, sliced, 1 teaspoon dried thyme, a half cup vegetable broth, 1 cup sour cream, 2 cups fresh spinach, salt and pepper to taste, chopped fresh parsley for serving. Instructions: 1. Cook the egg noodles according to package instructions. 2. In a large skillet, heat the olive oil over medium heat. Add the onion and garlic and cook until softened, about 5 minutes. 3. Add the sliced mushrooms and dried thyme to the skillet and cook until the mushrooms are tender, about 5–7 minutes. 4. Pour in the vegetable broth and bring to a simmer. Stir in the sour cream and let it cook for another 2–3 minutes. 5. Add the fresh spinach to the skillet and cook until it wilts, about 2–3 minutes. 6. Season with salt and pepper to taste. 7. Serve the stroganoff over the cooked egg noodles, topped with fresh parsley. 3. Lentil and vegetable curry. Ingredients: 1 cup dried lentils, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 onion chopped, 2 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 tablespoon curry powder, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon ground coriander, 1 can 14 ounces diced tomatoes, 2 cups vegetable broth, 1 medium sweet potato, peeled and chopped, 1 cup chopped cauliflower, 1 cup chopped carrots, salt to taste, chopped fresh cilantro for serving. Cooked rice for serving. Instructions: 1. Rinse the lentils and place them in a large pot with enough water to cover them. Bring to a boil, then reduce the heat and simmer for 15 minutes. 2. In a separate large pot, heat the olive oil over medium heat. Add the onion and garlic and cook until softened, about 5 minutes. 3. Stir in the curry powder, cumin, and coriander and cook for another minute. 4. Add the diced tomatoes, vegetable broth, sweet potato, cauliflower, and carrots to the pot. Bring to a simmer. 5. Drain the lentils and add them to the pot with the vegetables. Let the curry simmer for about 20 minutes.